Hey guys, Dino Gomez here, and in this video training today we are going to be talking about how you can land coaching clients without any money for advertising. Let's get into it right now. Alright guys, so today's video training is going to be awesome. We are going to be covering a very popular topic, a question that I get asked all the time, which is, Dino, how can I land coaching clients if I have zero money for advertising and I'm just launching my online coaching business? And so that's what we're going to talk about today. Now guys, really there are about 3 or 4 different ways for you to land coaching clients without any money for online advertising. Alright, I'm going to talk about 3 of them. And in particular, I'm really going to dive into my 2 favorite ones. Now, the first way that a lot of other coaches teach for you to get your initial first coaching clients is by cold outreach. All right, now what cold outreach essentially means is that you would go on social media, whether that's LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram, and you would search around for who might be your perfect fit client. Once you find your perfect fit client, you would send them a private message and offer them like a free strategy call or offer them some free advice, and eventually try and get them on a phone call where you can provide them some value and then ask them if they want to join one of your actual coaching programs. All right, now personally, I'm not a huge fan of cold outreach. I don't think it scales very well. I think it kind of takes up a lot of time. It's really just not my style to go chasing people down and kind of begging and asking for them to become a client of mine. That's really not the way I like to do marketing. I prefer inbound marketing where clients come to us. All right, and so the next 2 strategies I want to introduce to you that do not cost money, so you do not need any money for ads that will help you land coaching clients, are this right here. All right, and so the first one, guys, is one that you're familiar with because it is where you are right now. It is YouTube. Okay, so YouTube, right? It's free to create an account, and what you can do, right, is begin uploading videos to YouTube around your area of expertise. All right, and so if you are a relationship coach, for example, you can upload YouTube videos talking about different strategies and techniques and exercises that will help couples that are having troubles in their relationship overcome those complications and difficulties and arguments and things of that nature. All right, and as you do that, your YouTube channel will begin to grow. All right, and what will happen, one of the things that you can do, right, even if you're just beginning, at the beginning of a YouTube channel, you're not going to have many followers, you're not going to get many views, but what you can do is everybody that likes your videos, anybody that comments on your videos, you can comment back to them, ask them if they want a free strategy call or something like that, and examine potentially working with them further in that regard. So really quickly, actually, from YouTube videos, you can build up your coaching business, and that's really a great strategy. I like YouTube as well because it does have what I call a compounding effect to it, which means the more videos you add to YouTube, the bigger your channel grows, the more leads you end up generating. All right. Now another strategy for YouTube, guys, is a strategy we're going to demonstrate in this video today, which is basically what you can do is inside your YouTube video, after you offer some value, you can then at the end of the video have a call to action. And a call to action might be, hey, book a free call with us if you want to learn more about our coaching programs. It could be, hey, go download a free ebook or PDF or video series that we have for you. You can actually collect an email lead from somebody opting in to that freebie or that lead magnet that you have to give away. So you can use YouTube very strategically to grow your email list and to drive traffic, also to grow your brand. And so YouTube is one option for how to grow your actual coaching business without spending any money on ads. All right. Now, the next way to grow, the next way, which is my favorite way for you to actually sign coaching clients and attract coaching clients to you without chasing them down, without any money for ads, is actually using Facebook groups. Okay. And so here we are inside our Facebook group. It's called 7-Figure Coaches and Entrepreneurs. All right, and as we can see, we've had this group a while. We have 7,423 members. All right, it's a very active group. It is consistently growing. There's consistently new people asking to join this group, and that's one of the reasons I love Facebook groups is because they get bigger and bigger over time, right? And with every member that comes into our Facebook group, we're able to grab their email address. So that means with every single member that joins our Facebook group, we're basically gaining a lead for our coaching business. All right, so this is really powerful. If you guys come join this Facebook group, you'll see I'm consistently adding new content, new free trainings, and a ton of value. And that's really a kind of secret number 1 to building your Facebook group, guys, is you have to add value. All right, you cannot just have a Facebook group and not post any content in there or not add any value to your audience. Really what a Facebook group is a platform for you to demonstrate your expertise, all right, and to give value, all right, and to teach people things and so that they become interested in working with you. All right, and that makes it so that when you do make an offer for somebody to join your coaching program, they're very interested because they've already had a chance to know, like, and trust you. They've seen some of your content, some of your trainings. They know it's awesome, and hopefully they want more of it. All right, and so that's one of the a free Facebook group is just amazing in that regard. You can see we have a very active Facebook group with a lot of different posts, a lot of different content, and again, the Facebook group once you have your initial members in your Facebook group, it continues to grow and get bigger and bigger over time naturally. And so I really like that because rather than just sending outreach messages and having to do that repeatedly to get new clients and chasing clients, I would rather build a Facebook group, right, and have it naturally grow, get bigger and bigger, and then our email list get bigger and bigger, and then we have clients reach out to us because they want to work with us. They've seen our content, they've seen our training, they're impressed with our programs, and they're impressed with our testimonials and our track record. All right, and so that's one way to grow your Facebook group, guys, is by you want to constantly give value, and by giving value and by having interaction in your Facebook group, Facebook will show and recommend your group to more people, all right, and so naturally it will grow by itself. Now, the next thing you want to do too, guys, while we're on the Facebook platform, and this is technique and strategy number 2 to grow your Facebook group, is to actually optimize your Facebook profile. Alright, so we're over here on my Facebook profile, guys, and a couple things that you'll notice right off the bat, right, is I have an optimized cover photo. Alright, and so this is really, really important that you have an optimized cover photo. Basically, this is like your elevator pitch, right? So you want people that become your Facebook friends to know in a matter of seconds who it is you are as a coach and what you have to offer, alright? And this is amazing because when you have new Facebook friends who come into your into your network here, they're going to know exactly who you are as an expert, but then also your friends and family are reminded of who you are, what you do as a coach, and they might have referrals and different people that they can send your direction. But it's really, really strategic to let people know in your cover photo who it is you serve, what it is you do as an online coach. All right, but guys, this is strategy number 2 of how you can fill your Facebook group, grow your Facebook group faster, is by doing this, having a link to your actual Facebook group right here in your profile. All right, and then actually having an image with a call to action. So this image says, discover how to attract and close premium clients, join our free group. There's an arrow pointing up to a link that will take them to our Facebook group. All right, and so what happens naturally is when I add new friends on Facebook, they come to my profile to see who this Dino guy is. They check out my profile. They go, oh my gosh, he can help me enroll high-ticket coaching clients. He can show me how to grow a 6 to 7 figure online coaching business. Let me join his free Facebook group and see what that's all about. And so they follow this banner and they click on this link and they go ahead and they ask and request to join our private Facebook group. All right, so that's another way to grow your Facebook group is by optimizing your actual personal profile and directing traffic that direction. All right, other things you can do on your Facebook profile is you can say things like, hey, in my private Facebook group, I'm giving away a free ebook, or I'm doing a free training this Saturday, or I'm doing a Facebook Live this Saturday, and I'm covering this topic. If you want to join us, you need to join the group in order to see the free training or get the free ebook. So you can literally, in your posts on Facebook here, take your Facebook friends that are just your regular Facebook friends and shuffle them into your Facebook group. All right, and so that leads me to strategy number 3 of how to grow your Facebook group, right, which is you want to send 25 friend requests per day. All right, 25 friend requests per day to perfect fit clients. In other words, right, if I am a spiritual coach and I work with female entrepreneurs and help them to attract, and my law of attraction coach, I have to help them to attract more abundance into their life, what I would do is I would look for other spiritually inclined related Facebook groups, and I would send 25 friend requests a day to other women who seem like they would be perfect fit clients to my coaching business. All right, and so if I see women in another spiritual group that are asking questions that I know I can help them with, or that are engaging, or that are writing awesome content and posts, and I go, wow, they seem like an amazing client, I would send them a friend request. Okay, now what automatically happens, of course, is when you get a friend request on Facebook from somebody you don't know, you instantly begin stalking them, right? That's just how it works. So what happens, right, is that this woman will get a friend request, and she'll be like, who is this girl who sent me a friend request? So she's going to click to your profile, and when she does, and starts kind of scouting you out on your profile, she's going to be like, oh my gosh, this is a law of attraction coach who can help me get more abundance in my life. That's cool. I really would love to connect with somebody else who's spiritual, right? And then she's going to scroll your timeline and be like, oh, cool, she has a group that's filled with people who are into spirituality. I'm going to join that group. All right, and so that's going to drive your perfect fit clients into your Facebook group. All right, the other thing that is important that will happen is people will begin scrolling your actual Facebook posts. All right, and this is really important because it's going to give people a chance to know, like, trust, and relate to you. All right, and that's really, really important. People buy from people they know, like, trust, and relate to. Relating to somebody is massive. It means you have a lot in common, so you want to hang out with them more because we all heard that saying, birds of a feather flock together, right? So what you want to do in your Facebook posts is you want to do a mix of personal posts that talk about your lifestyle, what you're up to, just general things that people post on Facebook, but you do want to mix in plenty of business-related posts. In this post, right, I talked about how in the last 7 days, 8 of our clients inside of our coaching programs have began offering up client opportunities to other members of our programs because they have too many clients. And so that's a really cool thing to see happening inside of our program, is that our members have so many clients that they're giving away clients to other members that are brand new. All right, and so like that's a business-related post that's building trust for the results our program gets. All right, as you begin scrolling here, I tell a very personal, kind of a funny online story about how I built a 7-figure business, but I compare it to Mario Kart, so there's a little bit of sense of humor there. People can kind of get to know me a little bit more. All right, if you keep scrolling down, I'm asking questions to my audience so they have a chance to engage with me. I'm opening the conversation to them, right? I'm not just posting about the food I eat or telling them here's what they should be doing. I'm doing all this combination of different content so that people have a chance to really be heard, as well as I'm dropping off plenty of testimonials, right? In this particular post, I tell this story from my childhood and how I ended up as an online coach, and then I dropped off a bunch of testimonials that we had received in that exact same day. And so what this does, right, is that somebody who, if I send a friend request to somebody who I think would be a great client to us, they're going to be like, who's this Dino guy? And they're going to come over here and they're going to be like, wow, he's an online coach who helps me get clients. I would love to have more clients. Let me learn about him a little bit more. They're going to start scrolling my Facebook posts to get a sense of who I am. And they're going to see a ton of testimonials. They're going to see, they're going to learn about me because I'm writing stories about myself and my childhood and how I became a coach and different things like that. They're going to get to know, my wife, and because we just had our 1-year anniversary and stuff like that. They're going to see that I'm a pretty goofy dude and that my wife and I do TikTok videos. They're going to get a chance to really know me. And if who I am as a personality, and if they're impressed with the testimonials and they like my story, all those different types of things, they're going to be like, okay, I want to get to know this guy more, right? And they'll click to join our Facebook group. And in our Facebook group, right, we just bombard our Facebook group members with a ton of value, a ton of free training, right? And eventually what happens is they go, you know what, I've seen enough testimonials, I've seen enough free trainings, I want to work with you inside your program and get those results that your other members are getting. All right, and so that's why I love Facebook groups, guys, and social media like this in general, is because it attracts clients to you, and I prefer to have clients attracted to us rather than chasing doing cold outreach. All right, and so not to say cold outreach doesn't work, it's just my style is I would rather have clients attracted to me, coming, knocking on my door. And so there you have it, guys. Those are 2 different strategies, organic strategies where you don't need any money for ads, and you can go ahead and begin signing and attracting coaching clients into your business. All right, and so what I want to do at this point, guys, is I want to offer you the coolest giveaway we probably have ever given away, which is this. All right, this is a brand new ebook we just put together. It has taken us 4 weeks to actually put this together. It's over 64 pages long. This is what I believe other coaches would charge for. We are giving it away for free. But in this ebook, it's called Client Attraction Strategies. It is a 21-day challenge for you to attract your next coaching client, and it's 100% for free. All right, and as I scroll through this here, guys, there's 7 different bonuses. We talk about how to write great copy. We talk about what types of content to post, when to post, how to post it, all different types of things. And then what we do is we give you, we give you 21 different example posts for you guys to go ahead and copy. So for the next 21 days, you'll know exactly what to post on social media to help begin attracting clients to you. All right, and so if you guys want this ebook, beneath this video, go ahead. There's going to be a link to download this ebook. Again, it's 100% for free. and it's a 21-day challenge to see if you can attract your next coaching client for free. And so we're really, really excited to release this because we think there's going to be some outstanding results that come from this ebook. All right, so if you're interested in that, guys, check out the link beneath this video, download your ebook for free, and for the next 21 days, take the challenge, see if you can land a coaching client with no money for ads whatsoever. All right, and then to finish this off, guys, one of the things we want to do is, well, first we'll ask that you hit the bell notification and actually hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. We release new content here on YouTube about 1 to 2 times per week, so if you like this video, there's plenty more videos to come. And in addition to that, guys, if you want to join our free Facebook group, we have a link beneath this video in the description to join our free Facebook group as well. And then finally, if you guys have a particular topic you would like us to cover in future videos, go ahead and leave that comment below. We do our best to respond to any and all comments that we receive, and we can actually shoot a video based around a question that you have about growing an online coaching business to 6 and then 7 figures. Alright, so that's it for now, guys. Go grab that ebook. The link is in the description. I think you're absolutely going to love it. It took us forever to put together. And otherwise, guys, take massive action on that 21-day client attraction strategies challenge. We know you guys are going to get results if we put that into action. So go do that right now. Land yourself a coaching client. Tell us about it. We'd love to hear success stories. And until next time, guys, Dino Gomez here, and we will see you in the next video.